Hello everyone, Hare Krishna. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and we are also good here. So guys, we are going to take challenge for making English vlog daily starting from today up to 30 days. So let's see how much we can learn in these 30 days. So guys, as you can see, everything is scattered all over the room, and here also in this room you can see everything is scattered here and there. So we need to clean up this mess, and Gautam, it's time now to tidy up the room first. मतलब पहले हमें रूम को क्लीन करना है, उसके बाद ही आपको कुछ मिलेगा.
Etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune.
So friends, let me show you the weather today in Haridwar, Shivalik Nagar. So yesterday it was cold here. Actually, it was cold in the whole Uttarakhand. It was cold here yesterday and it's still cold today, but with the sun out, the weather's okay now. So you can see we have to do some household chores and we will meet you after then. So friends, as you can see, Gautam and Akshat are making no, not Akshita, Akshat. Gautam and Akshat are making drawings, and they are making the drawing of Sonic, na? Hmm? Okay, so these are the cartoon characters. हाँ तो cartoon movie characters. See, Gautam is so happy. He is coming after catching so many kites. He is so happy now, and he is so tired also. So friends, I have cooked halwa made out of wheat flour because I was actually craving for this. So I cooked it, and now I will taste it. Friends, Gautam is very much tired now. He has collected so many kites and now he is very much tired. But as he is looking towards the sky, he is again running and going to chase the kites. But it is very hectic work, you know. But as he is enjoying, he is doing it. What can we do? I will show you how many kites he has collected. See here. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kites. So friends, this is the current situation of today in Shivalik Nagar. Everyone is busy flying their kites. As you can see, in every terrace, you will see lots of people, mainly boys, are flying the kites. And we are watching everyone. We are watching the happy faces of different children. And Gautam is searching for any cut loose kite. So friends, we are going for a walk now. Walk बोल रही हूँ. Do you want to say anything, Akshita?
You are fellow.
Wow.
What? You are mummy. Mummy.
No, Gautam, no. No nonsense.
Yes. Mummy. Hello. You are buffalo. ऐसे मेरे फिफ्थ क्लास के भैया कहते थे मुझसे हेलो यू आर बफेलो.
So friends, this is another park in Shivalik Nagar, and there are so many parks in Shivalik Nagar. Almost in every fourth street you will see parks. So it's a very good place for children to play, for living, and our children are also playing there, swinging, and we are sitting here. thinking that what should we do, and we are preparing to sing something, some songs. Here is Mala Didi. She will sing some not some. She will sing a song for us, है ना?
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे, आपकी नजरों ने समझा, की नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, आपकी नजरों ने समझा. यहाँ पे से है, यहाँ तक है ना.
So, friends, Mala Didi and I sang a song, and it really feels very good when we sing old Bollywood hits, because the voice of Lata Mangeshkar, the voice of Muhammad Rafiq, and various other singers makes the songs very lively, and also there is so much feel in these songs, and so much courtesy in these songs, so it feels very good. However, if we sing the songs related to God, it feels more comfortable, more amazing. So music is something that makes our soul very much pure, so we should sing, and we should hear also good music. And now it's time to go to home. Lights have been turned on now in the park, so we also have to go to home. So let's go.